How to email customers on Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can email customers on Shopify. So firstly, अच्छा ये शुरू में इसको frame hold कर दी. So firstly, come over here on the Shopify dashboard, and then after that, click on customers from the left side. Now, once you guys click on customers, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. Simply click on add customer from over here. And then once you guys have a customer, so for example, over here, I will make a fake customer. And then after that, I will click on save. And now over here, as you guys can see that I have a customer. So if I were to come back over here, I can see that I have a customer over here. Simply click on the customer's name, and then click on the email of the person. So over here, as soon as you guys click on that, you guys can just simply type in whatever you want, and then that particular message is going to be sent over to that customer, and they will be able to get that message in their email. So guys, that is how you guys can contact customers via email on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.